Just think of it, Boog. An entire pantry of canned food back at Camp Sunshine where...
With no way of getting at it?
I don't know. You think there's enough food back there that maybe we could invite the rest of the gang to share in our good fortune?
We ain't telling nobody about our big find. You know how this will end. Giselle will tell McSquizzy, and McSquizzy will tell Mr. Weenie, and Mr. Weenie will tell everybody else. Just keep our eyes on the prize. We're just one can opener away from eating like kings.
What does a can opener look like anyway?
Oh, I'll know one when I see one.
Open season, call of nature.
I think there's an animal in that box.
You think they're dead?
Oh, man. Did I say snakes? I meant I hate clowns.
Kiki the Gibbon, enchanté. So, where is everyone?
Oh, it's just me and Boog and the abandoned camp we discovered.
What did we say about keeping Camp Sunshine a secret?
I meant what happened to my circus.
They just carried on driving after your crate fell off?
You should come back to our...
They carried on without me? I don't feel so good.
Okay. We'll take her back to the camp.
Yippee! Oh, I always wanted a monkey. Can I wake her, please? Can I wake her? Can I wake her? Can I wake her?
Knock yourself out. When she wakes up, she'll probably want to go back to the circus. You know these theatrical types.
Oh, isn't this place just a little big and empty for the two of us?
Quit it. She ain't staying.
You guys are too easy. What exactly are you two anyway?
Hi, I am Elliot, and I am what you would call...
Let me guess. Looks horsey, has a horn, even if it's a little crooked. Oh, you're a unicorn.
Unicorns don't even exist, really. They're...
Chubby, hairy, claws, smushy face, big wet nose. You're a bear.
Hey, that's my hibernation cushion.
No, he is Boog. He's a little grumpy, but there's actually a heart of gold underneath all that fur.
Is that the great outdoors right out there? It's so beautiful!
But don't you want to go back to the circus?
Nah. The circus might sound glamorous, but it's actually all hard work, late nights, and cages. Ugh. Yup. I'm never going back. I'm a wild gibbon now.
But you don't know the first thing about being wild.
Well, you guys can teach me to be wild.
Why, we'd love to teach you the...
Police! You can't send me back! Don't send me back! No!
Okay, we won't!
Let's teach Kiki to be a noble beast of the wild. Oh, it's meant to be. To be wild, you gotta learn to survive. Water is totally important for surviving. Oh, look, there's some water there. Now, for part 2 of the lesson, drinking the water, which I shall demonstrate with my face. Ah, snapping turtle! And that is your first wildening lesson.
Wildening lesson 2. Foraging. Using your senses to find stuff to eat so you don't starve to death.
Yes, yes. A wild animal must use its instincts to find food.
You mean like all that canned stuff you found back at camp?
Look, we have no way of opening that.
But I've got an idea for how we can...
Shh. One of my personal favorites, honey. But it's high up and hard to get for a reason.
Bees. You see, they make honey, but they aren't just gonna give it away. No. They have these super painful stings.
Thank you, Elliot. Any questions?
That was easy. Hey, Mr. Unicorn. Did I mess up?
Oh, you were right, Boog. Maybe we bit off more than we could chew.
Guys, I think I've cracked the foraging thing. I found us some worms to eat.
Not exactly fine dining, Kiki.
We'll spruce them up. Pretend it's spaghetti.
Spruce them up? With what exactly? Our easy open can of tomatoes?
About those cans,
Just show us your haul. At this point, we're so hungry, we'd eat just about anything.
I'm so sorry, guys. Maybe I'm just not cut out for being wild. Can I ask for just one more favor? Will you please help me get back to my circus?
Of course, Kiki. You can't win them all.
I overheard where we were headed next. A town called Timberline.
We know Timberline.
Well, I used to live there.
And we know just how to get there. Next stop, Timberline!
You have navigated this river before, right?
Why ever do you ask?
Guys, no, wait! Guys!
She's telling us there's a huge waterfall ahead, isn't she? You saved us!
Ain't nothing wrong with your instincts, Kiki.
Not one thing. Oh, she even looks like a real wild animal now, too.
Yeah.
Ow!
That was awesome!
I feel so alive! I've never, ever felt more wild!
Kiki, you're welcome to stick around and hang with us. That is, if you've changed your mind about going back.
I am? I mean, I do. I have. I love being wild! Do you guys feel this great all the time?
Well, I wouldn't say.
Yeah, all wild, all the time.
How did you know I'd react that way? Discover my instincts for survival.
What? But we didn't.
We just figured it would take something that big. Right, Boog?
You know, you guys should do this for other animals.
Oh, it's an ingenious idea. We can turn this camp into a place where animals can shake their shackles. A place where the tamed, domesticated, or escaped can learn to be free. Learn to be wild. Instructed by yours truly, of course, and my bestest buddy in the whole wide world. Ew!
You really think there's enough animals out there to make a camp like that work?
Yes. Camp Sunshine is hereby reborn as Camp Wild.
Count me in. I am a wild doggy.
Mr. Weenie? What are you doing here?
Elliot sent word of you guys and your amazing find. The whole gang is on their way here right now.
Elliot.
That's great. Oh, it's settled then. Camp Wild is officially open for wildness.
Yay! So, have you guys figured out how to open the cans yet?
I got this, guys.
Wait, you knew how to do that the whole time?
Oh, hey, slow down. This is my last good antler.